Hi guys, it's Johanna, and this week we are talking about how to tell an employee that they're being reinstated after being suspended from work. Let's get started. Hi guys, it's Johanna Scullion, an HR business consultant. So this week we are looking at another HR template in the Spotlight. It's another one of our free series that we have totally available for everyone over on the website. This time we're looking at the area of disciplinary. And disciplinary in itself sometimes is a difficult time to go through, and it's quite a challenging time for the managers and the staff that are involved. And sometimes during a disciplinary process you will have to suspend an employee for various reasons, but normally to allow a fair and impartial investigation to take place. But what happens if you've suspended an employee and at the end of that investigation there's no case to answer? Well, you need to tell them. And that's what this template does. Again, it's a letter or an email, it can be used in either. And it's a formal document that is used as part of the disciplinary process. It formally confirms to the employee that the disciplinary investigation has now concluded and that there is no case for them to answer. Effectively telling them they have done nothing wrong, there will not be a case for them to answer. It very importantly reinstates them after their suspension. So basically their suspension is now finished, and it tells them who to contact to make sure that they turn up for work in the next day. So it's a very, very important document. For the employee who's been suspended, it marks an end to their suspension and lets them know they can walk back to work without any fear of any disciplinary action further down the line on this particular matter. And also it means that you've clearly communicated with that individual and drawn that process to a close, where the investigation has decided that there's no case to answer for this employee. That's it guys, it's a template, it's in the box below. Click on the link on the relevant page to get this template for you. You know what I'm going to say, I would love to hear how you're getting on with our templates. If there's anything that you find useful, please let me know and give us a little thumbs up. That's it for now guys, we'll talk to you very soon.